Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy NFTs using BNB, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase digital collectibles on the BNB chain ecosystem. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet compatible with BNB chain, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Configure it to connect to BNB chain network. Step 2. Purchase BNB on an exchange like Binance and withdraw it to your wallet. Ensure you withdraw on BNB chain, not Ethereum or other networks. Step 3. Visit an NFT marketplace that operates on BNB chain, such as Tofu NFT, NFT Raid, or Binance NFT. These platforms support BNB for purchases. Step 4. Connect your wallet to the NFT marketplace by clicking the wallet icon and selecting your wallet provider. Authorize the connection through your wallet. Step 5. Browse available NFT collections and individual items. Use search and filter features to find NFTs within your budget and interests. Step 6. Click on an NFT to view its details including price in BNB, properties, creator information, and transaction history. Verify the collection's authenticity. Step 7. Click Buy Now, or place a bid if it's an auction. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, paying any small platform fees. Your NFT will appear in your wallet after blockchain confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.